Nokia is going to launch its most powerful and advanced features-equipped smartphone. If you too have a lot of confidence in the Nokia phone manufacturer, and you are looking for a smartphone that you can make full charge in 10 minutes, and get a 200 megapixel fantastic DSLR camera, then you can think about this smartphone. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G smartphone. So if you also want to buy this smartphone, then first know about its features. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's start. Display of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Let us tell you that this Nokia smartphone has a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. In this, you are going to get a touch sampling rate of 390 Hz with 144 Hz refresh rates. Apart from this, ceramic shield protection, in-display fingerprint sensors, and IP69 ratings have also been given. Camera quality. If we talk about the camera quality of the smartphone, then inside it, you will get to see the quad camera setup at the back, whose main camera is 200 megapixels, with OIS support. Apart from this, 50 megapixels, 16 megapixels, and 8 megapixel other 3 cameras have been installed in it. On the other hand, if we talk about its selfie camera, then you will get to see a 64 megapixel camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor of this mobile, then the powerful processor of Qualcomm, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset has been installed. And if we talk about the operating system, then you get to see Android 15 operating system. Battery backup. The company has given you a strong battery backup inside it. You get to see the powerful battery of 8100 mAh inside it, which supports 125-watt fast charger, with Type-C charging port. Price or launch date. Last, we talk about the price of this phone, then it is expected to be around $600. And talk about the launch date, then according to leaks, it can be released till this year's last.